So you got your new CODESYS PLC and you want to connect I/O or other Fieldbus devices to your PLC. In order for CODESYS to recognize your Fieldbus device, you need a so-called hardware description file, which is installed in the CODESYS hardware repository. Where to get this hardware description file? For CODESYS Fieldbus devices, you can find the hardware description files either in the open download area on our homepage, or you can receive it directly from the technical support. For other third-party devices, please check with the respective hardware manufacturer. Common hardware description files are, for example, XML for EtherCAT devices and EDS files for CANopen or Ethernet IP devices. When you have your files ready, open your preferred CODESYS installation. You don't need to load the project to install a hardware description files. Just click on Tools and then Device Repository to open the menu. You will now see an overview of all the devices that are already installed. To install your own hardware description files, click on the button Install. Now go to the file location of your hardware description files and open the file. It is also possible to install several hardware description files at once. The installation is now finished and you can see the list of your newly installed devices. Next time you open a CODESYS project and you want to add devices to your PLC, you can see these newly installed devices in your list.